What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world addicted to the drama, only attracted to things that'll bring you trauma. Overseas, yeah, we tryna stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA. The NRA, Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. If you only got love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate. And to discriminate only generates hate. And if you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all. People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. Can you practice what you preach? Maybe turn the other cheek. Father, 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 help us. Send some guidance from above. Cause people got me questioning. Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? I feel the weight of the world on my shoulder. As I'm getting older, y'all, people gets colder. Most of us only care about money making. Selfishness got us following the wrong direction. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria, infecting the young minds faster than bacteria. Kids wanna act like what they see in the cinemas, y'all. Whatever happened to the value of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, we're spreading animosity. Lack of understanding leading us away from unity. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling down. It's no wonder why sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta keep my faith alive till love is found. People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. Practice what you preach. We need you to fix it, Lord Jesus. Father, Father, oh Father, help us. Guidance from above. Got me questioning.
One of history's awesome crossroads. Our technological creativity is almost boundless. We can build machines that think. We can now even destroy our whole planet with a nuclear weapon. We have brought distance and placed time in chains, carved highways through the stratosphere. In short, we have the capacity to rebuild our whole planet. Filling it with luxury, or we are capable of destroying it totally. The shocking issue of our age is that no one can confidently say which we will do. Whether we will survive indeed depends upon whether we build moral value as fast and extensively as we construct material things.
Father, 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 help us. Send me guidance from above. Got me questioning. Yeah. Father, Father, Father.